There's a whole lot that I don't recall specifically, but I know this. The vehicle was upside down and they were trying to get me out, and there was music playing in my head.
On a snowy Christmas day in 1987, Dahlia Knox was in a car with her sister and brother-in-law when they were hit by a drunk driver.
I was semi-conscious, then I went unconscious, and so then I woke up in the hospital.
Although the others escaped with minor injuries, the crash left Dahlia paralyzed from the waist down. Doctors told her she would likely be confined to a wheelchair the rest of her life.
Come here, Pastor. Come here. Is that your wife? Please bring your wife. Whew. The power of God is all over this sister right now. She normally has no feelings, but she can feel our hands on her legs. And she's had no feeling in her legs. Pastor, tell them what's happened.
The power of God, something is taking place right now. And the Spirit of God is upon Dahlia.
Have mercy.